This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Outlook, Chapter 7. I am releasing this video after many weeks, so sorry for that. Hopefully, I will try to post at least one video every week. So, uh, so in this video, as always, we'll cover equities, couple of indexes. So I'll look at Nifty and Bank Nifty. Also, we'll take a look at how S&P 500 is looking, because most markets are interrelated and interconnected. So in a way that it can't be that Nifty is going up and S&P is in a downtrend. So overall, uh, all the markets are connected with each other. So it's always good to look at indexes outside the country. Then I look at a few stocks which can do well in the coming weeks or days. It won't be a very long video. As always, it will be a very short video, 20-25 minutes hopefully. And then yeah, uh, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and hit the like button. You can comment on what you wish to see more, and you can comment on what you want. I mean, your likes or dislikes, what you don't like about the video and what you like about the video. So it can give me a rough idea of what's happening and what I need to improve or what more I can add to help everyone. So without wasting much time, I'll start with the presentation. So the Outlook Chapter 7. So let's look at a few stocks and how they are looking. So first up, as always, it's Nifty. If you go in the previous videos, if you have seen the previous videos, this chart has been consistent, and I've been trading this chart or based on this chart for a period of time now. So Nifty, since from here, has been in a downtrend from 17,500, although it has been downtrend, um, I mean, since then. So I mean, it made 18,200 odd, but before that it made 18,600 odd or 500 odd. So in this chart from here, we are in a downtrend, and we have made lower lows, lower highs, and this is where I mean, last week, couple of weeks back, 15,200 odd, which was a 1.5 Fibonacci level. As you might know, a lot of my work or my trade revolves around Fibonacci, market geometry, things like that. So 1.5 was a good level. We saw a dodgy kind of a bar, reversal bar, and then market went higher. Since then, 5 days of rally, or you can say 4 days of rally, one reversal kind of a bar, and then it has been falling, but in a channel for the next 4 days. Last two bars have been quite bullish, you can say. I don't see any bearishness here, but they can be a reversal bars. But if you can see, this looks like a channel now, and we have seen channels have been respected. So it's something like this. If you see here where my cursor is, consolidation, channel breakout, and another small channel breakout for a day or so. This was a smaller channel, 2 bar, but this one has been a 5 bar. Um, you might not call it a perfect channel, but that's fine. Uh, Main thing is that it respected the 15,500 480 zone. I tweeted that until the time it's above 15,500, everything is okay for bulls, or for the bullish. For bears, 480 needs to break. So where do we stand now? Now it looks like a flag. 15480 is your area where it shouldn't break from here. Tomorrow, day after, whenever. And although breakout hasn't happened yet, so wait for a breakout of the flag. If it happens, then we test this level. It has tested once, so we might test here. But the target I'm looking at is 16,200. Some might call it a gap filling exercise as well. Yeah, that also, but yeah, flag target is 16,200. So wait for confirmation, wait for a breakout of the flag, and then once that happens, long bets are more have a higher probability of success than short positions. Under 15,480, we might revisit this again and might break this, but based on the previous two bars, looks more on the upside than downside. Tomorrow we see how it opens, but these are the levels to watch out for. Moving forward, Bank Nifty, although looks same, but one thing which I was a little surprised to see that Bank Nifty usually is a very trending market, either side, upside or a downside. But I'm seeing a lot of dodges here. One, two, uh, three, four, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So out of these 14, 15 bars, 9 have been dodges. That shows that uh, no one is sure about Bank Nifty at least. One thing that the pattern wise looks like a triangle. Uh, so triangle with a breakout target of 34,800. Uh, there's a circle here which you might not see. आप लोगों को I will keep it both English and Hindi because I don't know the how the audience what kind of a language you see, so I'll keep it in both languages. And in comments you can also tell me which language you are more comfortable in, or you are you okay with the mixture of both. So ये दो बार्स हैं, ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ यहाँ, फेल हो गया, अगले दिन डॉजी, उसके बाद फिर रेंज के अंदर चली गई, went in the range again. Looks like a triangle, although classic technical analysis, if you go by the book, you might not call it a triangle because of these two, but there's a reason. uh, it's a structure which through which you can negate it. Uh, and we'll keep this for some other conversation for some other day and keep and stick to a smaller video कि ये क्या लग रहा है एक ट्रायंगल कंसोलिडेट हो रहा है, ब्रेकआउट होने दीजिए, जैसे निफ्टी का भी ब्रेकआउट पेंडिंग है, फ्लैग है, ब्रेकआउट होने दीजिए, 34,800 का टारगेट है, बट यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि बुलिश बार ज्यादा हैं, एक बुलिश बार, दो, 30 को मैं बुलिश ही लूंगा, ये तीसरी बुलिश बार, ये भी बुलिश है, ये भी बुलिश है, ये भी बुलिश है, देयर आर मोर बुलिश इन द डॉजीज इफ यू सी बेरिश बार कितनी है, बुलिश कितनी है, यहाँ तक सब बेरिश था, बेरिश बेरिश, जब यहाँ चेंज हुआ तो बेरिशनेस से हम बुलिशनेस में चले गए अगेन. Long, it's a structure you need to understand. You can ask questions to me in the comment section अगर आपको कुछ doubts हैं, but coming back to the chart, bullishness है system के अंदर, but breakout 33,750 का wait करेंगे, 33,750, 33,800 का, और 34,800 1000 पॉइंट का टारगेट के लिए we can target it. ट्रायंगल अपने एंड पे आ रहा है यहाँ से 75% स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर, and we expect a breakout in the next 2 to 3 bars. So watch out for Bank Nifty. Uptrend में आ सकती है. I mean, because coming out of a lot of indecision kind of candles, which is Bank Nifty में ऐसा होता नहीं है ज़्यादा. I mean, it is usually after a while. That doesn't mean कि Bank Nifty में dodges नहीं होती. यहाँ पे भी थी, ये थी, यहाँ पे भी है. But एक trending move है. यहाँ पे एक consolidation की move है, जिसकी जिसकी वजह से ये up we can expect some sort of a movement, most probably on the upside, probability upside की है, but let's see how it opens tomorrow. Breakout के ऊपर ही लेना better है, rather अभी यहाँ पे it's wait and watch here. Downside maybe if it breaks this trend line, then downside maybe again just like Nifty, 32,000 levels are open for Bank Nifty as well. But probability अभी ये लग रहा है कि market looks more on upside than a downside. But we'll see tomorrow how it happens. But trade only breakouts. Trade after the breakout, stop loss छोटा रखें और trade करें rather than get anticipating a breakout or a breakdown. Trade the breakout and breakdown only presently. S&P 500, beautiful looking chart. I have posted it multiple times, matches with the oscillator as well. यहाँ पे तो correction, continuous correction, ribbon पे एक बार false straight दिया, came back in the ribbon, then broke down triangle. So ये opposite triangle है इसका. ये डिसेंडिंग ट्रायंगल है, ये असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल है। तो यहाँ पे असेंडिंग मूव है तो मूव ब्रेकआउट एज यू सी यहाँ अपसाइड में प्रोबेबिलिटी है। ये डिसेंडिंग ट्रायंगल है, ब्रेकआउट डाउन साइड में, और उसने डाउन साइड दिया। बोथ द ब्रेकआउट फ्रॉम रिबन हैपन टुगेदर। एंड ये चार्ट मैंने काफी बार पोस्ट किया है। ऑसिलेटर भी सेम ही चीज दिखा रहा है। 1.382 पे डबल बॉटम काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर बना। फिर टारगेट क्या होना चाहिए था, 0.5 टू 0.618। 0.618 पे जाके रुकी मार्केट। डबल टॉप यहाँ बना, यहाँ डबल बॉटम, 2 बार्स डबल टॉप। ऑल्दो इसको आप डबल बॉटम डबल टॉप नहीं भी कह सकते, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट 1 बार, बट वी कैन टेक इट बिकॉज इट्स a shorter time frame. So यहाँ पे इसके बाद now it's taking a break and trying to move higher. I am expecting 3960 at least from here, 3820, 3960. मैंने 3665 जहाँ 1.382 है, यहाँ पे ट्रांच एक ली थी लॉन्ग की, जो मैंने पोस्ट भी किया था। कुछ यहाँ पे भी ली थी, यहाँ पे भी कुछ लेवल्स थे जहाँ पे मैंने ली, और यहाँ पे भी लिया था। तो ये मैंने एक ट्रांच यहाँ पे बुक कर ली है। अब फिर से इसमें एंट्री है, और 3960 एटलीस्ट टारगेट है। अगर इसकी ये रिबन क्रॉस कर जाती है और एक अच्छा पैटर्न बनता है, देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट मोर अपसाइड टुवर्ड्स 4200 4400 एज वेल। दैट वी सी अगर ये ब्रेकआउट करता है नहीं करता। ऑसिलेटर सेम चीज दिखा रहा है, कोई ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, बट ये दिखा रहा है अभी अपसाइड का रूम है। सो लेट्स सी इफ इट टचेस tomorrow day after 3960 what happens there. So that will be interesting to see. But overall ये again मैंने चार्ट पोस्ट किया है, and you can see Fibonacci काफी role play करता है मेरे analysis में most of the time. So yeah, that's a important component, where how it stops, where it stops, where to take a trade. Not only Fibonacci, market geometry, price structures, ये सारा इसके अंदर है जो मैं अभी, it's hard to explain it because then there will be a lot of questions for this. So yeah, this is an interesting chart. So let's see what happens the coming to Monday, tomorrow, that is. Next chart is Reliance. This is based on market geometry, but you see here again there you see a lot of triangles. So triangles को देखिए तो यहाँ एक triangle है, यहाँ पे भी आपको एक ट्राइंगल दिख सकता है। अगर मैंने मार्क नहीं किया, बट एक एक यहाँ से ट्राइंगल नजर आ रहा है। ये भी कंसोलिडेशन से रिलायंस में भी ट्राइंगल था, जिसको इसने न्यूज की वजह से ब्रेक डाउन किया। अगेन आई पोस्टेड दिस चार्ट ऑन आउटलुक प्रीमियम कि if it doesn't break this area, we can expect a downfall towards this. I wasn't expecting, to be honest, this that fast, but news flow happened and market went lower. But यहाँ से अगर आप short हैं तो I was expecting this as a target, but this happened as well. But perfect target यहाँ पे पिछला पिछले लो पे उसने यहाँ exact वहाँ पे गया। तो where it is standing, I think closing is to 2408. तो अब क्या करें? I got a lot of questions about this on the day when it was trading this. So abhi to one can expect a bounce tomorrow towards 2480, which will be a good level to see if we can go short. From here it will test, and then one can expect this to come around this level, and if this breaks, then 2240. अगर 2480 के बीच फेल हो जाता है और इससे ऊपर चले जाता है, तो अगेन दीज आर द रेजिस्टेंसेस अगेन, which is unlikely. Presently structure break हो गया है, it has broken this. So if you are long, then I am, if I were long and I am long, I will book, but I am hedged with the put, so that's fine. Even if it goes down, that's fine. I'll book the put first. But I'm not very bearish on the stock as such. But abhi ek structure break ho gaya, so you don't expect tomorrow. Don't expect, but it can happen. Ki tomorrow it will go back and go inside. But what we can expect is कि ये वापस इसको trend line को test करेगा, and then it will break this and come lower. So that's what we expect from this structure. So I mean, Reliance again plays, if it goes higher, you can go short with a small stop loss. स्टॉप लॉस आपकी अपनी मर्जी है, अपना एनालिसिस कीजिए और उससे मैच करें। मेरा एनालिसिस मुझे ये कह रहा है कि ये एक बार टेस्ट करके शायद फिर से वापस अराउंड इस रेंज में आए, फिर वहां से शायद बेस बना के वापस ऊपर को अगर इसने जाना हो तो। but there's a high probability that either it breaks this and move to 200 to 50 eventual target. I won't say eventual, but a big support area. and then or it goes towards this range tomorrow, यहाँ पे ऊपर खुले short आए, in short position लोग short, because I think more a lot of shorts will come again tomorrow, and then if it opens higher, that is, and then if and then it might test it again and goes lower. Uh, for if it goes wrong, I mean it keeps on rising, then that's fine. You have it's a very short, small stop loss trade, but this is how it's looking overall. For anyone who wants to invest in the stock, I think 2240, 2100 levels can, if it comes, then you can wait. If it doesn't, then that's fine as well. I mean, right now it's in the middle of the range. For people who trade, hedge yourself because there's a high volatility news flow kind of a stock, so hedge yourself and move accordingly. This is based on market geometry. That was Fibonacci. So a lot of people ask how we can learn it. Only for people who wish to learn it can. This is a program called Raphael. It's a 4 to 5 program session. You will learn price dynamics. That how will you how I trade just by using price, nothing else. Uh, and then learn Fibonacci and advanced Fibonacci. So this is for trend identification. Price dynamics से आप trend को identify करेंगे, करना सीखेंगे. Advanced Fibonacci में entry और exits आपको मिलेंगी, कहाँ आपने entry करनी है, कैसे exit करनी है. मार्केट ज्योमेट्री, प्राइस वाइब्रेशन, जैसे ये वाइब्रेशन है एरिया, तो यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट आपको रेजिस्टेंस मिला एग्जैक्ट, और ये वाइब्रेशन एरिया है सपोर्ट का, यहाँ आपको सपोर्ट मिला. So multiple times you will see that here as well the low is made on this, the major tops and bottoms here beautifully. Once I mean 2 days it wasn't able to cross this as well. So these are all vibration areas, not GAN but market geometry. So then we'll discuss position sizing and risk management. आपको सब कुछ, आपको trading आ गई, but अगर आपका position sizing correct नहीं है तो you can lose a lot of money on a bad day. And mindset and bias diffusion, which is a consistent process कि where you are finding troubles in executing a trade. क्या problem आ रही है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा concept है, but it's more like understanding where the bias is coming, mindset क्या है. So that's all of this is the Raphael. I won't waste a lot of time. It's just to answer the query. A lot of people ask me that how we can learn this. This is the program. That's my Twitter, or this is my email. You can email me. And this is a 4 to 5 session program, and it starts in August. So anyone interested can use these contact details to know more about it. Moving forward, ITC have been bullish in ITC from here, 264 to 65 level. In the outlook premium around 268 level accumulated, and accumulated more a little bit lower as well. So I have exited yesterday. Uh, the reason for that is this: it's very overbought because I have bought it from lower level. A lot of people might think it is up to breakout. Why are you exiting now? Because yes, it can go from, I exited around 28 284.7 or 284.8, somewhere around the 285 mark. I've been riding it from 260 to 268 levels, one tranche and 262 I think, or 264, I don't remember, and one at 268. So it has been a good ride. I'll buy it again. So अभी क्या लग रहा है, ये यहाँ तो ये कंटिन्यू करेगा 288 295, दो टारगेट्स हैं अपसाइड के. एनी डिप towards 280 281 can be bought again for 288. So अगर 280 281 पहले आ जाता है तो हम इसको बाय करेंगे, 288 आ जाता है, 295 आ जाता है तो हम वेट करेंगे किसी तरह की रिट्रेसमेंट के लिए. रिट्रेसमेंट हम नेक्स्ट वीक देखते हैं किस तरह एक जाता है. I'll keep on posting it throughout the week of how it is looking, but it's a good strong stock now, has been broken out, and we'll get in again, but let's see, if there's a retracement we'll get in again. Now it's a little overheated. That doesn't mean it can't stay overheated. रह सकता है overheated काफी काफी देर तक. अगर ये निकल जाता है तो निकल जाता है, that's fine, but अगर ये नीचे आता है we'll buy again. So just keep a watch on this 280 281 area. अपर टारगेट्स हैं दिए हुए हैं 288 295, अभी 284.35 की क्लोजिंग दिखा रहा है. So let's see how it opens because stochastic काफी overbought है. Again, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम शॉर्ट कर देंगे, बट इसका मतलब है लेट्स बुक सम प्रॉफिट्स, लेट्स वेट फॉर इट टू कम डाउन. वी कुड बी रॉन्ग कि एग्जिट अर्ली और ये आगे जाता रहे, दैट्स फाइन एज वेल. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर स्टॉक जहां हम पैसे कमा सकते हैं, बट अगर आपको नजर आ रहा है कि ओवरबॉट है तो टेक सम प्रॉफिट्स and wait. That is what I did. I mean, you don't have to. I'm just saying what I did. So if it comes down, I'll be buyer again. But it's a very strong stock in a market which is near its 52-week lows. This stock is at 52-week high, तो आपको relative strength नजर आ रही है. So don't, I mean, keep hold. If you get an opportunity, keep on trading this stock. Tata Steel, I added this stock because it's a we bought tranche one at around 868, I think. It's still there. It's nothing much is happening. Tranche two at 802, which is a major support area. जितना बड़ा rectangle होगा उतनी बड़ी support होगी. Just to understand how I post the charts. जितना बड़ा rectangle उतना बड़ा area of support. जितना छोटा rectangle उस उतना come support. I mean, it's a support altogether, but I mean, I'm expecting more demand around these levels. So 802 is a level where I'm expecting, if it comes, we'll add more one tranche. अभी ये एक range में है upward. Someone asked me, 2 or 3 people asked me about Tata Steel, so I'm posting it. I have apart from some position in outlooks, I don't have much position in Tata Steel, but I'll be buying around to 800 levels already. Although it has corrected quite a bit already, it has corrected quite a bit. That doesn't mean कि अगर ये correct हो गया तो ये buy है, but stochastic कुछ signal दे रहा है कुछ upside का. So let's see if it breaks. Need to break this kind of a channel, and if it breaks this one, then it upside of this consolidation, it needs to break the energy coil. Once it breaks the energy coil, then goes to this, and the next stop is this 1000 area. So let's see, but around 802 you can buy more. Above this you can buy. Targets is 920, 1000 kind of range. It's where I will looking around 1000. I will looking to exit it and see what happens after that. Bajaj Finance, very interesting. Bajaj Finance, downward sloping channel, upward sloping flag. यहाँ से start करते हैं. Flag downtrend आया, up sloping flag आया, which is a very beautiful pattern. Breakdown हुआ channel का, यहाँ पे resistance exactly channel पे लिया, again support channel पे लिया, uh, but this again a flag breakdown. Now it's in a flag again. But why I have put this chart, very simple. One can say okay, flag hai, breakdown a short, that's fine, वो भी हो सकता है. But more importantly, why I have put this chart here is very interesting based on the volume structure. So this if you see this what do you call price area. So as in the till here, as price was going higher, volumes were drying up, which was showing that the trend is, it can reverse very easily. Again, here as price is going lower, the volume is drying up. So difference is here. Here if you see this arrow, when up to here, when prices were going higher, the volumes were drying up. Here when prices is going lower, the volume is comparatively going down as compared to what's the anchor point, this one or this one. So the volume is consistently going down. So what but if you see here, this low versus this low, the volumes were higher. You see this low versus this low, the volumes were higher. But now this low versus this low, the volumes are lower, which is a clear sign that trend exhaustion is happening here. It's same with Bajaj Finance and Finserv. Both were moved mostly. So it seems that we are in the end of the downtrend in Bajaj Finance. Only it can either go towards 5800, come back again and touch this, but we are coming towards the end. Prices staying a lot. This is what I teach in the price structure, how to understand when the trend is ending. This is a very simple example of volume analysis, but it's a very easy way to know that when the trend is ending. And one more, it's the day, I mean, on Thursday, there was a red bar, four down candles, and all of a sudden, on Friday, it made a lower low in this four. The fifth bar made a lower low, but reversed its all of its losses and closed at a really strong area, 3-4% up or something like that. So something to watch out. I have investments. I have trades in both Bajaj Finance and Finserv. So yeah. So but it looks strong. and they move pretty fast. They are high beta kind of stocks. So just watch out. If Bank Nifty, if the overall banking index, Fin Nifty, all of these are looking comparatively stronger. So if that happens, then keep an eye on these. Bajaj Finance, FinServ not covered in this, but interesting, especially the outside bar. First stop 5800, we might oscillate again, but if it breaks it, it will be a very strong pull move towards the 6400, 6800 area. Right now it's 5600, so something to watch out. If it breaks down and comes towards this, then we'll see what happens. That also will be a great area to accumulate, because price structure is showing me that there is not much selling left here. So some one stock that I'm bullish upon, have positions, and you can look at the stock. You can do your own analysis and see if it matches what I'm saying. LRTI, that's the LTI actually. Larsen and Toubro, the IT arm, LTI. Uh, this stock, again, volumes have been contracting. Base is it tried to make, it's a coil symmetrical triangle, tried to break down but went inside it. uh, Price structure is saying again that it's coming to the end, almost the end of its correction, but not as bullish as compared to what Bajaj Finance was. First stop 43.30, then we see what happens from there. Symmetrical triangle, the 75% rule applies. It is coming close to the 75%, almost there. So there is usually what we expect, that the breakdown की trend के साथ breakdown होगा, the break will break down towards the trend कि ये नीचे को जाएगा. But the system is, the price structure is saying that tomorrow can be a good day. By good day, I mean to understand where it is, what it's happening. So tomorrow it can be a breakout or a breakdown day. So if it moves higher, we can expect 43.30. If not, then we can expect the lower end of the range here again toward 3800, 3850. But अभी थोड़ा सा reversal दिखा रहा है. Let's see counter reversal दे पाता है tomorrow. Like next 2 days very interesting. But exhaustion आ रही है अब इन stocks के अंदर. बहुत करेक्ट हो चुके हैं कंपैरेटिवली, ऑल्दो ऊपर भी ऐसे ही गए थे, बट प्रेजेंटली एग्जॉशन आ रही है. दैट डजंट मीन दैट इट विल ओवरऑल ये मूव करके ऑल टाइम हाई पे चले जाएंगे, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. अभी विल टेक स्मॉलर बेबी स्टेप्स की फर्स्ट टारगेट क्या है 4330, वहां से क्या करता है. अगर जाता है तो टारगेट क्या होगा 5200, 5000. सो बेबी स्टेप्स. आई मीन वी आर स्टिल इन ऑल दीज स्टॉक्स, be it Bajaj Finance, be it Bajaj Finserv. Apart from ITC, most stocks are in a downtrend. So downtrend की rallies खेलिए जब तक ट्रेड, जब तक चार्ट्स आपको दिखाने नहीं लग पड़े कि ये रिवर्सल लार्जर टाइम फ्रेम्स पे है. Till that time, play the safe rallies. If you get a reversals, and then keep shorting on the, if you are confident or comfortable in shorting. So ये दो तीन चीजों का ध्यान रखें. बेबी स्टेप्स. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि अब 7000 चले जाएगा, 7500 शायद चला भी जाए, वी डोंट नो. But right now we are playing small gains, 200, 300 point, which is also good. Like on a 400, 4000 rupee stock, if you get 200 points, that's 5% of on your capital. More if you are leveraged, more if you are on a FNO kind of a structure. So yeah, so play accordingly. Don't rush to कि मैं portfolios भी अभी बना लूं. Portfolios का time भी है, but small. I personally I'm accumulating stocks, but not in, I mean slowly in tranches. You might have heard this word that I do accumulate things in tranches. So again, we'll discuss it some other time. But coming back to this chart, looks like this the other day it has kind of trying to reverse here. Price structure के अंदर ये अभी reversal दिखा रहा है. जिसने मेरे whosoever has done the Rafael and is watching this video can see कि this is a price reversal area. तो यहाँ से ये ऊपर जा सकता है towards 4030, but confirmation अभी नहीं आया है. Volumes are declining, and confirmation, as soon as you get the confirmation, you can board on and make a 200, 300 point rally kind of a thing. That's it from my end. As I said, small video. I don't know how much time it is, 20, 25 minutes. I think we have taken, covered a few stock. Hit the like button, comment if you like or dislike something. And so it gives some sort of motivation. if more people like it or be part of it, comment on it, subscribe to the channel, then when one feels that okay, I'm helping someone. But if we don't get any few views, and so one feels that what's the use, no one's watching it. So I think that helps the creator in creating more videos. And yeah, I wish you a good trading week ahead, and hopefully I'll try to make something in the middle. Usually fail. I say it all the time, but not able to do it. तो I'll try कि अगले हफ्ते भी मैं वीडियो पोस्ट करूं और उससे अगले हफ्ते भी पोस्ट करता रहूं. But yeah, I keep on posting on Twitter, on the Outlook and Outlook Premium. So yeah, hope to meet you again. Good luck and enjoy your weekend. We'll meet again next week. Thank you so much. Take care.